Hey guys, what's up? So this video is going to be me showing you guys how to remove a ball joint if everything fails. You guys are like me, you guys are trying to remove this thing. Oh my gosh. I got all this stuff out here. You guys see all this stuff? Could not get this off. I'm pretty sure you guys watched a ton of videos like I did on this. And just scratching your head on what the hell they're doing as far as they're using chisel hammers for this. I mean, do it yourself. Who the hell has chisel hammers? Like, I don't have a chisel hammer with me. But you know, I don't have a chisel hammer. This setup right here, this, you know, joint pull, it doesn't work at all on this. I've tried every single configuration. Do you guys see all this crap I got out here? All this configuration I got out here just to remove this piece of crap. All right, I'll tell you guys right now, I'm not a big fan of Hondas. After working on Hondas and stuff, I'm not a big fan of theirs at this point. Seeing as how everything I had to do on this car was just an absolute pain in the butt. But I'm going to show you guys how to remove this ball joint the way I did. I removed it. All right, what I did was I originally used a hammer, right? That didn't work. I used a hammer, and you guys know these ball joints are, you know, flexible. They're flexible, so it's like they're moving around all the, you know. So what I did was, after all else failed, I used this right here. All right, I fired it up for like a couple minutes. And I just used my hammer, and I hammered the crap out of this thing. You know, because I was just absolutely frustrated, tired, just absolutely frustrated and tired. I fired this up. This is the second time I was able to move a ball joint, just firing it up. All right, fired it up, and then used a hammer and just whacked the crap out of it. I didn't care whether this was situation there. I just beat the crap out of it because that's how annoyed I was with this situation. But it started moving outwards. I just whacked the crap out of this thing. It started moving outwards, and at the very end, I used this, put that there, and then whacked it. This is just a socket. Just whacked it out. It came out. Now this is the first time I'm doing this on this car. I want to tell you guys, all right, be careful with the wheel studs on the bottom. You guys probably should like take some cloth or whatever on the bottom, just so they don't get messed up. But that's how I did it. I don't know how you guys want to do it. I see these guys have these vice grips. You know, try to vice grip this, and used I used this right there. Use my impact gun. You guys watched that video. I used the impact gun, try to move it out. Did not move it at all. Did not move it at all. So this is a 2005. It's got rust and everything. It's got rust on it, and that's how I did it. And I am so glad I did it, because it was, you know, this whole project, as far as this car is concerned, with the suspension, all that stuff, it's just amazingly annoying to me because of the amount of rust that exists on here. Okay, rust just makes everything so much worse. All right, and even with this situation, you know, it's just annoying. Every little thing. I get tripped up on every little thing on this thing. All right, I had to get a new brake sensor because it was all melted into the assembly, all that crap. But I managed to get this out. So if you guys are watching this video and you guys are absolutely frustrated with this, just know you guys can do it. All right, if you guys fire it up, because I don't think you guys can have a situation worse than mine, or as bad as mine, because of the amount of rust that's on this car. But heat it up for like a couple minutes, 3, 4, 5 minutes, whack the crap out of it regardless of where this thing is at. I did damage that, but this is all out of frustration. I'm going to do the other side. It probably shouldn't be as difficult as it's been on this side. So all the other videos that I've watched on this on YouTube did not help me at all. It's just absolute crap. I can't believe what I was watching. People doing who the hell has these, these little jackhammers, to hammer this out? Why would I need to hammer this out? Why isn't this, like a regular board joint, where you could take this and just squeeze it out? But regardless, guys, it worked. So whatever. If you guys, Honda, I don't know about you guys, Honda. I mean, this is my first Honda I've had. This is the first Honda that I've worked on. My own Honda that I've worked on. At least I could say that. At least I could say that the axles on these cars come out pretty easy. I could say that. I mean, I've done axles on these cars before. And they all come out pretty easy. But this other stuff, man, you guys could do better on this stuff, man. This is what I'm saying. You guys could do better on this stuff. I wish it was like so much easier than what it's been for like the last. Everything I've worked on this car, man, it's just absolute painful. Just painful. Like even trying to get the board joint out from the under control arm was absolutely absolute work. All right. Not only that, but you guys see the sway bar links. Oh my gosh, sway bar links. The torque stack that gets used, and if it's rusted, that's gonna be messed up. So you're gonna have to have something to hold, like these little things that just trips you up on this. It's just absolutely annoying. But all else fails, do what I do. Just making that video for you guys because I was absolutely frustrated watching every single one of these videos, and these guys do not. It seems so simple in the videos, but once you start trying to do it, it doesn't work. So sometimes you just gotta manhandle the thing. That's what I did. It worked. These guys, if this has helped you guys in any way, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Really would appreciate it. And please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you guys got any info, comments, whatever, leave your comments. All right, guys, take care.